Hello, in this video we will see the way we write he in Tigrigna. So as you can see on the right side of this screen, there is a slideshow. This is he, who, he, ha, he, ho. So I will show you of how we write them here. So first of all, I want you to be very clear about the difference between he, remember he, and he. So we are talking about he now, not he. Okay, so if this is he, if this is he, this is he. He. So make sure that you differentiate these two by stressing he. The it's not he, instead. Okay, he. So let me show you of how to write he, ho, he, ha, he, ho, as you can see here. Okay, let's start. So let me first write he, 7 has. The reason is that I want to make sure all the trailing alphabets come out of the first one, which is he. Okay, you see me, I am writing he all the way. So this is he. So if I add some features to he, we'll see of how they turn to be. Okay, so if I add this one, let me change a color here. If I add this line to the right, it becomes who, he, ha, he, and finally I should have done 7 of those. I did only 6. All right, so and ho. Okay, good. So as you can see, this is he, who, he, ha, he, ho. You can relate them with what we see here. This is he, for example, like this one. This is he here. And this is ho. And this is he, who, he, ha. And it goes on like that. So when you are very good at it, you will be able to write it very quickly. So he, who, he, ha, he, ho. Okay, so I hope you got this now, and please practice. I will come with other alphabet in the next video. Thank you.